one of the reasons why our team, ako personally, we are marketing this subdivision, Maria Home Subdivision, Indigo City, simply because every time na pumupunta kami dito is merong mga developments. So, say for example, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan, merong development sa area. So, ito meron ulit silang nile-layout na 3-bedroom unit. Tapos, ito, another 3-bedroom unit. And then, yung isa naman is a 2-bedroom unit. So, even though 2 months pa lang na lumabas yung permit nila or yung license to sell nila, nag-start na silang mag-build ng ibang mga units, aside sa model units, kasi ito yung mga model units. Ito yung 3 bedrooms. Ito naman yung 2-bedroom. So, katabi ng 2-bedroom unit is ito. Actually, this is available. So, kung merong gustong bumili ng unit na to, pwede kayong magpa-reserve for only 30,000 pesos. Tapos, this one naman, this is the 3-bedroom, another 3-bedroom unit. Nakaka-start pa lang mag-equity nung buyer. 2 months pa lang na nakabayad ng equity yung buyer. Nag-start na mag-develop yung developer dun sa unit nila or nag-start na mag-construct. Ito yung kalsada nila. Actually, wide concrete road. Yan siya. Hanggang doon pa yan sa unahan. And then, good thing din, meron silang view dito. And then, ayan yung community. So, if you are interested to acquire a unit in this subdivision here in Indigo City, just send me a message. Thank you. Bye.